Hi students of class 6. Today we will revise So first we will revise the activity time of page number 30 question number 2. Then we will revise the activity time question number 1 of page 43. So let's start the class. Everyone open page number 30 first. Okay, so let's start. First we will create a folder on the desktop. Right click on the desktop. A list will open. From there click new, then folder. The folder name will be as new folder. Then click on the start button. Over there, open Notepad. From there, open the Notepad, and after opening it, write your favorite poem. My favorite poem I am writing Baba Black Sheep. Okay, you have to write the full poem. After writing the poem, the folder you have created on the desktop, open it and create a folder inside it. That means creating a subfolder inside it. After opening, we can create a folder inside it. See, one new folder button is there. Click it. A new folder will be created and we have to name it Poems. And inside this poem folder, we have to save our notepad file. After opening the notepad file, click File, Save. Try to search for the poem folder. Click open and give the file name as My Poems. And click Save. Our folder will be saved inside our file will be saved inside the folder. Now copy the file from the desktop to the D drive. Right click on the file. Click copy. Go to the D drive. Open the D drive over there. Done. Our folder has came over here. Now, after closing it, delete the folder from the desktop. Click the delete button from the keyboard and it will be deleted from the desktop. Now, open the recycle bin. From there, search your new folder. Right click on it and click restore. Sorry, over there we have to delete the file permanently by clicking the delete option after right click on it. Next, open the D drive. And rename the new folder as Computer Activity Chapter 2 and press enter. This is the first activity of today. Now let us see the next one. Next we will do this activity, that is of page number 43. Let's see how we are doing it. First we have to insert a table with 6 columns and 4 rows. Go to the Home tab. Insert tab, and we have to insert a table with 6 columns and 4 rows from the grid method. Done. After that, format the heading, that is make it bold, font Calibri and size 14. Now, go to the Home tab and select the heading. Click on Home and in the font group, click Bold. Over there, make the style as Calibri as it is already selected and size, font size as 14. After that, merge the maths and the science cell. For that, go to Layout tab and click Merge Cell from the Merge group. Select the science cell and the beside cell and again click the merge cell and it will be merged. The 2 cells of maths and science will be merged. After that, go to the design tab. After selecting the table, go to the design tab and select any of the design of your choice. Next, go to the Layout tab. In the Cell Size group, click on auto fit window. Okay. Next, select the last row and insert a new row below it. Same thing, click on the last column, right click on it and insert a new column over there. Now, find the total of the first row. How to make it? For that, go to the Layout tab. In the data group, click the formula option and see the sum left is coming. Simply click OK. Same manner, in the next row, find the marks of the numbers. Same thing, follow it for the third row. Now, in the last new row inserted, find the total of all the above 3 columns. In this way, you will do the activity time question number 1. Okay, now I think everyone is clear with the CW work. Please practice it at home. This will be your HW. Those who have the computer, practice it in the computer, and those who don't have the computer, please go through the video and the book for the steps to memorize. Okay, if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. And stay at home, stay healthy, and bye bye.